This video will guide you through the installation of the MeLe lightweight battery mount for the 2015 Plus Audi S3 and the Volkswagen Golf GTI and Golf R. For this install, you will need the following: a bit driver, 4 and 5mm Allen bits, the pictured small and large washer, short 5mm and long 4mm bolt, a MeLe battery mount, and the Odyssey PC680 battery. To begin installation, first remove your OEM battery. With the battery removed, your engine bay should look like this. The highlighted holes will be used for installing your MeLe mount. Start by removing the Torx bolt in the OEM battery tray. With the bolt removed, drop in your MeLe battery mount and align the holes with the 2 holes shown previously. Next, use the short 5mm bolt with the large washer on the lower hole. Do not fully tighten. Then use the long 4mm bolt with the small washer and fully tighten both bolts. You are now ready to place your Odyssey PC680 in your MeLe battery mount. You may now reconnect your positive and negative terminals. Your installation of the MeLe lightweight battery mount is now complete. For any additional information on our products, you can check us out at www.meledesignfirm.com.